Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're going to be talking about some natural home remedies that you can use to get brighter and glowing skin. We all know that healthy skin is the key to feeling and looking good, so let's jump right into it. Tip number 1: Lemon juice and honey mask. The first home remedy on our list is a lemon juice and honey mask. Lemon juice is a natural astringent that helps to brighten the skin, while honey has antibacterial properties that can help to fight acne and improve the skin's texture. To make this mask, mix equal parts lemon juice and honey and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can use this mask once a week for best results. Tip number 2: Aloe vera gel. The next home remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, but did you know that it can also help to brighten your skin? Aloe vera contains enzymes that help to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can use this remedy once or twice a week. Tip number 3: Turmeric face mask. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's also great for brightening the skin. To make a turmeric face mask, mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can use this mask once a week for the best results. Tip number 4: Green tea face mist. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and irritation. To make a green tea face mist, brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Pour the tea into a spray bottle and mist your face throughout the day. You can also keep the mist in the refrigerator for an extra refreshing boost. Tip number 5: Cucumber slices. Last but not least, we have cucumber slices. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for your skin, including vitamin C and caffeic acid. Simply slice a cucumber and place the slices on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Not only will this help to brighten your skin, but it will also soothe any irritation or redness. So there you have it, folks. 5 natural home remedies that you can use to get brighter and glowing skin. Remember, healthy skin is the key to feeling and looking good, so make sure to take care of it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.